Hey guys, Joeteck here from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook and Twitter. And today we're going to be checking out this really cool smart band. It does a lot of great things. Oh, crap! That's okay, folks. This is IP67 waterproof. You can shower with it, go swimming with it. It is unbelievable. I have reviewed other tracking watches before. This doesn't do heart rate. It's a stepping watch. But it does other things, and I find it to be very, very useful. It works really well. I'm quite impressed with how nice it looks. The software is really nice. This one installs, doesn't have to access anything until it needs to. So if you want the device to see your contacts, you can say yes or no. I chose no. There's no reason for my stopwatch to see my contacts. The reason for that is that it can notify me of text messages or incoming calls, but my phone is good enough for that. It'll ring. I'll need a stepping watch to actually let me know if I have phone calls or not. So plus I can take pictures with this. So it needs access to my camera, which I denied. But all that's said and done, if you're just using it for your stepping, to keep track of your steps and your calorie and how much fat burning you're doing, this is a great watch. I'm quite impressed. The reason why I like this, that I denied it access to my contacts, access to my camera, and access to anything else that I don't want it to have, like SMS messages, that kind of stuff. I don't need this to tell me text messages. It's for tracking my steps. That's all I need to do. So I denied it, and that's the end of it. And now it doesn't have access to that, and it's only a stopwatch. What's really nice is that it is USB charging. So you pop this off like so, and then you plug this into your USB port on your charger, like so. And that's how you charge your watch. I've tested it out. It works really well. The charge lasts, I believe, around 7 days or so, and then you just simply push this back on again and you're good to go. The application is very intuitive. It lets you know just by looking at the app on how much battery power you have left on the device. It actually communicates back and forth. I'm impressed with it. It looks like a Fitbit. It surely does. It's really nice looking. It's impressive. Plus, what's really cool is that you could change the view of the information. You can either have it vertical or you can have it horizontal, and that's built in the app. It also comes with purple bands as well. So if you're a female and you don't want to wear the black, it comes with purple bands as well. The best part about it is that it is waterproof. You can literally, I was joking around before, but you can actually stick this in the water. It's perfectly fine. It's waterproof. IP67 proof. I took a shower with it. It works really well. I mean, there's no issues whatsoever. This is a great product. It really is. It works really well. And I recommend it for anyone who needs a tracking device and does not want to spend a ton of money. It offers a lot of features. It offers the ability to turn off certain features that you do not want to have access to. This is a great product and I recommend it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care and we'll see you next time. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. And now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,